Assalamu alaikum, hope everyone is doing good. My name is Fahad and my roll number is 18BM43. So basically we have made this project. The project title is ECG monitoring with AD8232 sensor and Arduino. This project is made by me and my group mate Nurulan. Our roll number is 18BM109. As everyone knows that heart disease are becoming a big issue for the last few decades and many people die because of a certain health problems. Therefore, by analyzing or monitoring the electrocardiography signal at the initial stage, this disease can be prevented. So in this project, we have used a microcontroller which is Arduino Uno and ECG sensor which is AD8232. Okay, the AD8232 sensor is a little chip which is used to measure the electrical activity of our heart. This electrical activity can be referred as an ECG or electrocardiogram. The electrocardiography is used to help to diagnose the different heart health problems. So the components which are required to make this project are Arduino board, ECG sensor, connecting wires and a breadboard. The ECG signals are extremely noisy, so here we have used AD8232 sensor. This sensor acts as an op-amp and it helps to obtain the clear signal from the PR and QT intervals easily. So let's discuss some medical uses of ECG. The ECG can be useful to find out whether your blood pressure has caused any damage to your heart or your blood vessels. Components of the waveform. The first waveform of the ECG signal is referred to as a P wave. The P wave indicates the arterial contraction. Then the QRS complex begins with Q. This QRS complex indicates the ventricular depression and contraction. And later, finally, we have T wave, which is normally a smaller upward waveform representing the ventricular. We will connect the 5 pins of the AD8232 sensor to the Arduino Uno board. The 5 pins are labeled as a ground, 3.3 volt, output, low negative and low positive. So ground will be connected to the Arduino Uno board ground, 3.3 volt will be connected to the 3.3 volt of the ground. The output signal will be connected to the anode and low negative will be 11 digital and low positive will be 10 digital. After that, we upload the source code to the Arduino Uno board. So once the source code is uploaded, we can observe the value on the serial monitor and also on the serial plotter. Before that, we have to place the electrodes on the body. The red electrode will be placed at the right arm, the yellow electrode will be placed at the left arm, and the green electrode will be placed at the right leg. After the placement of electrode, we have to sit still and we don't have to move. After that, we can observe the ECG signal on the serial plotter. In the source code of this program, first we will use the white loop function. White loop is technically a function that you create at the top of the program. Actually, it is used to establish few functions or few meanings which we tend not to change while the code is running. Then we will use the serial begin function. This function tells the Arduino to get ready to exchange messages with the serial monitor at the data of 9600 bits per second. Then we will select two pins, pin number 10 and pin number 11. After that, we will again use the while loop condition. Then we will use the if function. Like here, if digital 10 is written, it means that it reads the value from the specific digital pin either high or low. In the same case, we will use the else condition, and the last we will observe our program.